Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a 3D flower card. You will need the following materials: glue stick, black marker pen or a pencil or a black crayon, paper, 3 different colors of paper, green, purple, and pink. Lastly, you will need a pair of scissors. Always remember to ask for help from an adult when handling sharp objects. All these materials can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Fold the purple paper in half as follows. This is a purple paper. Take it, place it like this in front of you and fold it in half, just like a book. Then crease down this side. Make it crisp by pressing down with your finger. And here we go. Step 2. Make 4 love hearts from the pink paper as follows. This is the pink paper. With your marker pen, we're going to draw the first love heart shape. So draw a curve going that way and another one going the opposite direction. Then they will meet somewhere at the bottom. I want to cut this love heart and show you how we'll get 3 more from this one. So first, we will fold it like this in half. Then we make another fold like this, so that when we cut, we will end up with 4 love hearts. Take your pair of scissors and just cut along the black outline marker. There. This one you can just pull them apart like that. And 4 love hearts. Step 3, we now want to make the stem of the flower, so draw and cut out a thin strip from the green paper as follows. This is a green paper. Again, we will turn it the other side so that we don't have any black markings showing on the green side. Take your marker pen and just draw a thin strip. So I'm just following this edge here of our paper like this. And then let's cut it out. Take your pair of scissors and just cut along the black marking. Here. Step 4, draw and cut out 2 leaf shapes as follows. We are still using the green paper. So let's proceed to draw the leaf shape. Again, we will just draw one and then fold our paper in half to make 2 leaf shapes. Step 5, stick the stem onto the purple paper, then stick the 2 leaves onto the stem. Okay, so this is the purple card. Make sure you're holding it like this, like when you open it, it opens like a book. You may stick your parts when it's like this, which will not be right. So this means that this part is the front of our card. So let's get sticking. Take your glue, roll it up, then take your stem, dab some glue behind it. Then stick this stem somewhere in the middle of the card here, like this. And then let's stick these leaves onto the stem. Again, dab some glue behind it. Then take your leaf shape and stick one of them here. Repeat the process with this other leaf shape. Some glue on the back. Then take it and stick it on the other side of the stem. Always remember to cap your glue so that it doesn't dry. So this is our stem and our leaves all stuck on the card. Finally, stick the 4 love hearts onto the card as follows. Okay, so here are our 4 love hearts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So with the first love heart, we will stick it completely onto the card. It will be all flat. So just dab some glue behind it. Then place it over here, right where the stem begins. Then stick it down. For these other ones, you will first fold your paper like this. Not completely halfway, but this one like this is okay. And then this first one, we'll stick it at the middle. I just want to show you how they will look like before we glue them. This other one will be like this. And this last one will go on the other side. So it will be like this. So we'll have something like this. Now let's get to gluing. All of them have been folded in half, so it's just a matter of sticking them as they should be. So we'll start with this one. Okay, you'll notice that I haven't glued this paper completely down, which is what we want. We want it to be a bit raised like this. Let's continue gluing. So bob some glue on this end of the paper. Take your other love heart, stick it there, and then layer it down again like that. Bob some more glue on this other end. Take your last love heart and stick it over there. And lastly, bob some glue on at least half of the love heart and glue it down like that. So these love hearts of ours have formed a very nice 3D pattern. Just look. Wow! Layers and layers of hearts. Take a photo of your 3D flower card and upload it using the hashtag TBC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, I bet you all love fishing, so in this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a magnetic fishing game. Woohoo! You will need the following materials: sellotape, clear tape, the thin one, 2 pairs of scissors, one for cutting cloth and the other for cutting paper. Always remember to ask for help from an adult when handling any of these sharp objects. Next, we have a pencil. Next, we have a blue marker pen, but you can also use a black one, pencil, or even a black crayon, or even a blue colored pencil. Next, we have paper. I have 3 different colors of paper here: yellow, orange, and blue. Then we have cotton twine. You can also use a shoelace or just another piece of thread that you can find at home. Next, we have office clips. These are metallic. Then we have a magnet. All these materials, except for the magnet, can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1, using a marker pen, draw a fishbowl on the blue paper. Okay, let us begin. Open your marker pen, then draw a straight line, like that. Then make a curve inwards, like that. Make another curve on the opposite side, like that. And then we'll draw another bigger curve, like that. Then we'll repeat this same step that we did on the other side and have them meet at the bottom. So this is the fishbowl. Step 2, draw and cut out the fish as follows. We'll be using the yellow and the orange colored paper. So turn them the other way. Then we're going to draw the fish outlines on them on this white end, because remember, we don't want to have any black markings showing on the colored ends of our paper. So we will draw 2 types of fish, like this. And then on this other one, I will draw this type of fish. What we want to do is fold these papers in half so that we won't have to repeat with all the drawing and all the cutting of all this fish. So with this folded paper, we can be able to get more than 1 fish. One, two, three. Let's repeat the same process for this other one. So again, fold it. Can only go 3 ways. Then again with the cutting. Next, let's draw in the mouth and the eyes on the fish. Take your marker pen. Just draw a straight line from one end of the fish and a small dot for the eye. Repeat the same procedure for all these fish. There's a straight line from the circular edge of the fish and a dot on top of it. Okay. So you can make your dot a bit bigger so that you can see the eye completely. Then for this one, we'll also repeat the same procedure, just a straight line and a dot over there. Straight line. The last one. Done. Let me show you how they look. Step 3, cut out the fish bowl that we had drawn earlier. Take your pair of scissors. Remember to use the one that is for cutting paper. Don't mix the two. Just cut along the outline because it's a big cutout. Great. This is it. Step 4, pin some of the fish using the office clips and place them on the bowl. So take your office clips and just clip them on the other side of the fish like this and place it on top of the bowl. Repeat this same process for some of the fish like this. So just pushing this clip from the other end, not the face side of the fish. For some of the fish, we'll just place them on top of the bowl without any clips attached to them. So let's do this last one. For the final fish, because our bowl is already full of fish. There. Step 5, make the fishing rod as follows. So take your cotton twine or your shoelace or whatever thread you're using, and then with a pair of scissors that is used for cutting cloth, cut off a chunk of it and then tie it to one end of the pencil like this. Just make a knot. You can do a double knot so that you completely secure it. And then you can also wind the twine around it like twice around the pencil. Then you finish off with another knot like this. Let me show you. So this is just so that it won't come off the pencil or the rod very easily. So we have secured the twine to one end of the pencil. Now let's hook the bait. We can even decide to shorten the length of our string. So the bait here is our magnet. We just want to tape it to the string. So take your sellotape, it's always hard to get where we left off from the other end, but at least I haven't had a hard time doing it today. Just cut off a piece of it. Then what we'll do, we'll just tape it like that. You can add more tape. And there we have our fishing rod. Now for some fishing fun. We are going fishing. Which fish is going to get caught? One is down. Let's put it aside. Let's do some more fishing. Another one took the bait. 2 down. Let's see if we can get more fish. Fishing, fishing, fishing. Fishing, fishing, fishing. Wow! I think that's enough fish for us. Wasn't that cool? The fish are attracted to the magnets on the string because the office clips are metallic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload your photos using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click the links below for more details. See you all next time. Bye!